Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Canva for education. This incredible, free resource is specifically designed for eligible students and teachers. To qualify, you generally need to be a K-12 student or a certified K-12 teacher. The program also extends its benefits to entire school districts and various educational institutions, offering a powerful design tool for learning and teaching. The first step is to visit the official Canva for Education website. There, you will find the application portal to start your journey. It's crucial to have your proof of educational status ready. This might include a current teaching license, a valid student identification card, or other official school documentation. Gathering these items beforehand will make the application process much smoother and quicker for you. Next, you will upload your verification documents directly through the secure application portal. Please make sure that all your submitted documents are clear, legible, and easy to read to avoid any delays. Once submitted, the Canva team will review your application. This review process typically takes up to 48 hours or 2 business days before you receive a decision regarding your eligibility. Upon approval, you will receive an exciting email containing your account activation instructions. Simply click the provided link in that email to finalize setting up your free Canva for Education account. With your account active, you can immediately start enjoying all the premium features, including access to millions of images, thousands of professional templates, and a vast library of design elements, all at no cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.